So for number 16, if we want to find the domain, we should probably factor out the denominator first to see what we would end up with. So if I take a look at the denominator, I would get a pen first, and then I get, let's see here, x and an x, and probably, if I'm going to factor this out, probably 3 and a 2, so negative and positive, yeah. So therefore, the domain would have to be all real numbers x such that x does not equal one of these two numbers when I solve it for 0, so negative 2 or positive 3. Okay, for any x-intercepts, I would let y be 0, or in this case r of x be 0, so I'd have 0 is equal to x minus 4, so that implies that 4 is equal to x. So one of the x, or the x-intercept that I could have here is 4 comma 0. For the y-intercept, I just evaluate 0. So I go 0 minus 4 over 0 squared minus 0 minus 6. Because to find the y-intercepts, of course, you set x equal to 0. So just plug a 0 in for all your x's. And you end up with negative 4 over negative 6, which is a positive 2/3. So then I know the point 0 comma 2/3 has to be on the graph eventually. Vertical asymptotes, those will be the same as your domain. So you're going to have at x equals negative 2 and at x equals 3. For letter E, any horizontal asymptotes, yes, there will be one, and it will be the equation y equals 0, because this is what's known as a proper rational function. So because the degree of p of x is less than the degree of q of x, you're guaranteed y equals 0 is the horizontal asymptote, and if there is a horizontal asymptote, there cannot be an oblique, so you're good to go for that one.